So I think this is probably what you call a headwaters. Over here on the right, it's just dry. There's like, well, just for some reference, it goes from not that many briars to a lot of briars. And then all of a sudden, when you're walking through those briars, you see, I would say that's the beginning of Long Creek. It's coming right out of the ground. And then from here, it flows on through this tangled mess. And after you get out of the tangled mess, it turns into this tiny little stream, which is 16, 18 inches wide and just an inch or two deep. It comes on down to those cascades. I can hear them from here. And there it is, Long Creek.